awesome friends. I'm Tanya and welcome back. This is a TAG Collab.
August was just before me.
And then it's me, and then Grandma Kathy. Today is dealer's choice. I'm trying to do the Boulder cells again, inspired by Gina DeLuca. I have used the following colors. I'm using Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex. I am also using Neon Pink by Artist Loft. Hopefully this will work out better than the last time. I'm also using Shimmering Silver by DecoArt. I don't have the bottle here. This is the silver, Shimmering Silver right here. Gonna try this. Now the Dioxazine Purple, I am using two different variations of the color. I am using this here, which has a tablespoon of also DecoArt Satin Enamels, which I put right here. Ooh, there we go. The Dioxazine Purple I'm using as my base. So, and that's roughly how thick it is. It's quite fluid, and it's mixed the same as Gina DeLuca, 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. And then of course I've added her mixture of 90% water to 10% Floetrol to thin it out to that consistency. And here is the Neon Pink, and I've added, I think it's a half a tablespoon of the Satin Enamel. I still wanted that pop of pink, and of course the Shimmering Silver here by DecoArt. I am going to put down my Dioxazine Purple. I will be back. Oh, one last thing first. Your pouring container, make sure you put quite a bit. I'd say about that much in your bottom of the pouring container, so that that much, about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, just to give that base flow. Anyways, I'll be back. I have put down my base, and I have put about half a cup or just over half a cup in the bottom of my container. Now I am going to put the Neon Pink. I'm going to drop it from high and into the base paint so it can percolate, as Gina DeLuca likes to say. So much fun. I hope this one works. My last one didn't quite work. And then I'm going to drop in the silver. Lastly, the Dioxazine Purple with the Satin Enamels. My last one I did, it half worked because I didn't put in enough of the Satin Enamel. This time I'm going to try and spin slow. Oh wait, no, I almost forgot to put the top layer on a cup with the rest of the Dioxazine Purple. So let's just cover this up as best we can. And I'm gonna pop bubbles in my base. I mixed these paints last night, but you always mix them again when you go to use them. Go. All right, so I'm going to slowly turn and do a straight pour. accidentally left it a little bit longer. I got mixing paints. It's been about 25 minutes. Definitely make sure when you're waiting to pop bubbles. Okay, this is what gives it those Boulder cells. Just gonna pop it one last time. And then we are going to tilt and spin. Let's see what we can create. Well, I got the cells. Definitely got the cells. My spiral went a little wonky. It's really fun though. I love it. I wish the pink would have showed up more. All right, I'm gonna bring it down and wipe the sides and bring you in for a close-up. Okay guys, I've scraped the sides and I'll bring you in for a close-up. I think this is the way it should be hung. Center. See that spiral? That's awesome. There we go. All right, thank you for watching. Up next is
Kathy at Grandma Kathy's Art Venture.
And I've put Kathy's link in the description below as well as August. Thank you for watching our collab this week and I hope to see you next time. Bye.